vlogger from what is
Lapu-Lapu.
Lapu-Lapu. It's a female vlogger and it's going right now. So take a look at the road and you can see it's raining, big rain and traffic. It's raining already guys. It's big rain, I don't know why. We don't have storm here in the Philippines but it's a big rain. And also it's 27. Yes, it's 27, October 27, and most of children right now are in the school from children, kindergarten. They have Halloween party.
Yeah, big rain. Hi everyone. I drive now. So big rain. But before, good weather, sunny day, and I not expected rain, not expected. Even Shira take clothes for not for rain.
I not use jacket right now because I know it's sunny day and it's not raining, but right now maybe I'm wet and from rain.
So we turn now to the back side of Walking Street.
Going to Central or Tower.
Okay, this is back side of Walking Street. Exact info. Now 4 p.m. Exact we arrive to the destination because but let's so heavy traffic.
Maybe traffic right now.
Yes.
Coffee?
Coffee?
Yes, it's coffee.
You want to take?
Maybe I will not take.
Shari will take umbrella because heavy rain. I have also umbrella. Big rain. Yeah, it's good here have parking for customers. Okay, Shara, let's go. Thank you. Already decoration for Halloween. This is lobby at Central Park Hotel. This is Central Park Hotel. Before we sit in the cafe, before with David's from Australia. Now 4. Shaira, you can sit inside. I take picture you. You don't want? I see you not well. Okay, go inside. Yeah. Yes, good. Close door. Okay. Hi.
Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you too. Leon. Shaira. Where you want to sit? Oh, maybe here. Yeah.
So, hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and today I am here in Angeles City, Pampanga, Philippines, and have pleasure to meet and interview the popular blogger here in Angeles, and his YouTube channel is It's My Life Philippines. So, and Shaira and Leon, welcome to my channel, and thank you for granted my interview.
It's my pleasure.
Okay, finally I met you in person because I am watching also your videos.
Thank you.
Okay, so Leon, please tell viewers where you are from and your content channel and how you meet Shaira.
How meet Shaira? Shaira will explain. Shaira will say.
Okay.
I am from Russia. I was born in USSR. I am 51 years old. And I leave Russia 25 years ago and study and start business in China in Shenzhen City. I study in Shenzhen University. Before I graduate in Russia, and after finish graduate, I go to China. That's
And-
why I'm 15 years I study in business in China.
Ah, okay. And why you are decided to come here in the Philippines?
I not decide go to the Philippines.
Okay.
I meet my friend, Japanese friend. He been in Shenzhen also for like businessman. He is businessman from Japan.
Okay.
And we just talking about where better stay in because in Shenzhen weather sometimes even
Yeah.
is not cold but not comfortable stay. He said better you can go to the Philippines. In the Philippines very good season, January, February. That's why I think why not.
Yes.
I traveled to the Philippines this time. 10 days I've been only in Luzon. So only in Luzon I stay. I've been in the Manila, San Fernando La Union, Baguio City, and
Vegan.
Vigan also, and Angeles City.
Ah, okay.
Every city 2 days. Why I stay in the Angeles? Because it's very close from the airport. Because I need always traveling to China. That's why I stay in the. For me, better stay in
Ah, okay.
Angeles, very close Clark International Airport.
But you never been visiting city outside of Luzon, like Visayas and Mindanao?
Never been. I've been only once. I've been in Puerto Galera.
Ah, okay. In
Only
Palawan.
Puerto Galera, and many places in Luzon. And never been in Cebu, never been in anywhere.
Okay. And why did you settle in Angeles City and no other cities or areas in the Philippines?
Because very good infrastructure in Angeles City. So many foreigner. Also, for my opinion, I've been already. I traveling in many cities in the Philippines, and I live in the big city.
Ah.
And sometimes if a long time stay in the village, for me not comfortable. That's why I like more comfortable. I like Western foods. Before I not eat Filipino foods. It's only with Shaira I start eat Filipino foods. That's why for me better Angeles.
When you first came here in the Philippines, what was your expression? What would you say about Philippines
First
on your
time.
first time? Yeah.
First time when I been in the Philippines, children's kids
Okay.
snatch my money.
Money? Really?
Yes. That's why I think I never come back to the Philippines. It's Manila airport.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, it's my first day in the Philippines. I walk to my hotel. I just want to buy in 7-Eleven water. It's okay. I not put so much money in my pocket, but
Yeah, so it's lesson learned. It's
yeah,
experience, but lesson learned.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Your 3 most popular videos receive over 300,000 views. Okay. All were on talking about walking street and girls available. Why do you think the video were so popular? Because every vlogger has videotape walking street at one time or another.
About walking street video. Before I start video when during COVID time. My friends from Russia, from USA, from Canada. I have so many friends Russian, but they already live in other countries.
Okay.
They visiting always Angeles city. Very interesting walking street, and they say to me, Leon, can you take video for us? What happened now? Because they cannot go to the Philippines. It's already locked down.
Yeah.
And I, of course, take video not for public, but already many asking me why you post. I post to public. It's okay, not problem. And I start already posting the public, and I bought my camera DJI Pocket 2. Before I never edit video. I don't know about blogging. It's my first time.
Okay.
That's why I start a YouTube channel.
Okay, you know, walking street also is one of the reasons why I visit Angeles, because I saw it in different vlogger, and I would like to experience and to see it in reality. Because I've never been experienced on that.
You never
like
been
that.
in walking street?
No, never. It's my first time, because I was supposed, when I was on Thailand, I was supposed to visit like that walking street in Thailand, but I didn't have time left, so maybe next time. But now I would like to experience here.
About your question, where we meet, Shaira will.
Okay, where you meet. So, this is the end of my interview with Leon and Shaira, and I will put the link to their popular channel in It's My Life. It's My Life in the Philippines on this video description, and it's a Mass Say channel and the real nitty-gritty with boots on the ground. Please subscribe to their channel and subscribe to Entertainment, and any donation to either both of his channel and my channel, so are greatly appreciated. So Leon and Shaira, thank you so much, and I am so happy to meet you in person.
Thank you.
Okay, so
you.
that's it, everyone. Bye.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.
Please subscribe
And also
and like to
subscribe
both
here.
channels.
Yes. Bye.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.